My hobby is Lord of the Rings strategy battle game, and it's a board game where you have miniatures of the characters of Lord of the Rings, and you can recreate the battles from the movie and the book, of course, but you also need to paint them. The painting process starts with the base color, of course, and then you can stylize your own miniatures however you want. Mostly I style my miniatures as correctly as the book describes them. The time I work on one miniature really depends on how good of quality I want. I can spend like a few hours on a whole army, or I can spend like 18 hours to 20 hours on one hero. It's all about the quality you want to achieve.